Benjamin, and I'm the real Benjamin, and all me don't call man. I have some boys that them want to war me. Pay $250,000 to get me killed. But tell them, say, me nah go get no man for shoot them. Me give them one gun, and I will rise 100 and kill those motherfuckers. So if them want war, tell them, say, level it then. Me not afraid of nobody. You know why? The party is back. Wickedest thing, we're in a third world car. Shot me in a business and take me dead fast back. Jump me in a barrel, run a lily. Hello, sir. How me so? I'm going to tell you something. You say the police come here tonight so they want to lock up artists. Me have one thing to tell you now. Me and the Alliance in a war. I mean now I left my gun. But if you don't want to search me, I tell you don't back no gun and find for me, but stick it up, do a move. Cause me soldier in the right round and any gun on the find for me, you know I got dead. Cause me tell the man them say any gun find shoot to kill and aim to hit target. I'm going to tell you something. Yes, me get a barrel of gun. Lately come down and me no ready for this. She me done bomb up. Barrel of gun. Lately. Clarendon, let me go there. This ya gun near. Wake up now your mama yard back. Say gunshot. They sweep up like a hello, sir. Yeah, hear me? Me just come. Eh? What you say? Me a bad from black powder, pick ticks off cow back. And from Saltfish single house and stop from me. Granny was a child, me a lick gunshot. So you fi come ask me that. You don't ask me wiggle my this, not she wiggle my that. Me a the baddest thing we ever said foot pan the lot. Not even see it and no better than this ya glock. Fuck it. When they say me do, me make lyrics pan spot. So anything you know, ask me, make a lyrics out for that. Where say? The whole place bash down and the place get full up. People wait for me, I get for Suffara link up. When me reach at the gates and everybody stand up. Then take say, I'm a Benz, a BMW, me a drive up. Now I one time Toyota where me come cool up. A PP taxi just come drive me up. Now me cheat up, jam it up, it have to pull it up and when tell me something. I don't hear Adams can shoot the woman and him pitney. I don't hear they say Adam shoot the woman. Which part? How much woman in shoot? You don't have no manners, Adams. Listen to me. Remember in a sting 2002, me geek that and me gonna say cool out for you. That's why Adam should respect me and you. When they shoot the lady, me make him bumble blue. Adam's in a sting, me say me give you me Glock. I know you shoot a woman, man, me want it back. If you not bring back, me gonna pay ass like gunshot. I can shoot down police, I can shot down Nick. Women here, yes, this is the mama. Yeah, hold it. Look for me. Me see it on the TV. You have one little one. We just bust the other day. A par with Bounty Killer send him Predator. This is because I have to box him down a town the other day. And his friend Bounty Killer then starts one little thing. And I got talk on TV, say, me begging money Monday and say, I want to kill him Tuesday. Me I come from England Sunday. Book the boy Monday. Take off one of my platinum ring him and say, hold this youth, you just a boss. And you got to tell me about say, me beg your money. How me beg them money? Bounty Killer live in an apartment. Me have apartment to rent a man to go be. Bounty, me don't know if you make no house now. Me know apartment when living now. You understand? He live in a Oakland's apartment up on Concert Spring Road. Me have a big 21 bedroom villa in a Montego Bay, Bourgheights. Me have built a 10 bedroom for my wife at St. Mary. And look for me now. Them some boys, so them I wear ice, me I wear fridge, and me freeze what they have on. When me a boast more richness, and me dash where the most money, and me give where the most money. And if you think 2003, any one of them come down, they may have flap them, because if they can't dash where 500,000 and sting 2003, then can't chat to me. Because me a got sting 2003, go dash where 500,000. Read him, and me go tell me why me can't dash level 2. You know why me can't dash so much money? Because let me tell you something. No one wearing diamond, platinum, silver, and gold. All them are sitting man, they never control. Diamond, platinum, silver, and gold. If you want rich, come check. Watch out. If you're poor, poor no bumper or soul. It's a same thing where make you score all goal. Just take ninja man with your heart, mind, and soul. Any amount of money where you want, me give you for control. Me nah lend you none, me I give you that for all. Because I'm a diamond, platinum, silver, and gold. When your man come in at your bed, when would they would stiff? I either told your man I use fuck you. Well then you want me going at your bed. You want me tell you what happen? Oh, me cocky vex when me woman at the bed a lay down. Vex when she turn her back, she nah give me none. Vex when me no get none of the sugar plum. Them vex past me rascal one. Well I know woman listen this now your chat boy hear this. The woman me greedy. Me want pussy more than food for poor and needy. Me nah fuck me girl lefty and me no breedy. In a baby father business in German a fi lead. The pussy a cocky in a war and cocky a fi defeat it. Fuck that, kill that body bag and sheety. General time you do some. Alright, hold on. Clarendon. Me I make that tune for about 3 months now. Me never to test it yet. Me just every time me and Keisha go and build it up and see how it bad. So Clarendon, I want to build Ninja Man, don't? You know when I do bad tune, don't? Well, all right. You see if that one is bad, you know tell me. If it's not bad, you tell me say change it. All right. You see, from you know say nobody now no secret for you in your girl. Make me you know say hello, sir. Hello, sir. Man, if no girl no ride your mouth like bicycle rim, just say no, sir. No secret, none of that. All right. You see, anybody who can sing this song here, him a liar, him a nyama, him a bowers, him a everything that is bad, and him live a people yard. So if you know, say you know no secret, nobody know no secret for you, give me the rhythm, please. Level. Just like that. You ready now? Pimpilim pimle pipilampa, pimpilim pimle pipilampa, pimpilim pimle pimle pipilampa. Catch that one, yeah. Pimpilim pimle pipilampa, pimpilim pimle pipilampa, pimpilim pimle pimle pipilampa. Catch the chat. Woman, if you act and now you run this bad, you know cut up people yard, you know where nobody frack, always there up front, never yet there you back. No man can tell you about fi bite off in teapot. Shoot up for you one in the air when me chat and say, pimpilim pimle pipilampa, pimpilim pimle. Hold on now. Hold on there. Hold on now. So woman in here a little while. They don't want nobody say them bow and people have secret them. See them and they can't say people, see them. Alright. I bet you draw that one I want to see it now. And the mama tilo, papa tilo. And the mama tilo. Hey, yeah, let me tell you something. You, ambition high and you never stoop low. Never bow down and you're not thinking so. Boy, can't tell you figure bow down low. Push up to you and in the air, make me no one say tilo, papa tilo. And the mama, hold on. All of the man, when we say them a done, never bow down and I'm not pum yam. No girl can tell you you're your man that she ran. Shoot up to you and not to the den, gargan. And the mama tilo, papa tilo. And the mama tilo, hold on. Shh. Don't tap it, level it, girl picnic. If you give the boy the pussy for fuck tonight and he can't fuck it and want suck it, don't stop here. You know hear what me say? When me say nothing do. But hold it down me out. You see when you come, just grab him in your head and sink it down in your pussy and say, boy, I must see rice and peas and Solomon a Monday, boy, say and the Beverly run gun yam down there. Right, hello, sir. All right, you hear me? Hold on, good. Come here.